Welcome back to the Hamilton Public Library. This is Linda, and today we will be making yarn hearts. You can see here that I have already made a few hearts with different types and colors of yarn. To make your own heart, you will need a piece of cardboard cut into the shape of a heart or any other shape you would like to make, a ball of yarn, scissors, and some tape. We will start by making the loop for the heart. You can see here that the hearts have a loop for hanging or attaching to a gift. Cut a loop and tape it to the cardboard along with the end of the ball of yarn. This will help to keep it in place while you are wrapping the heart. We are going to wrap the heart all around until it is completely covered. Start by unraveling some of the ball of yarn and then start wrapping the yarn around the heart. We will go in different directions, and you can sometimes see that the yarn slips, but you can hold it in place or change directions to make it stay in place. Continue wrapping the heart, working all the way around. We want to make sure that the cardboard will not peek through the yarn. At the end, I'll show you how we'll just continue wrapping even when we're done to make sure all the cardboard is hidden. So I'm going to continue wrapping the heart and come back to show you how to finish it. So you can see that the heart is almost covered in yarn. We just have a few spots to finish. To cover the point, you will hold the yarn in place with your finger until you wrap the next piece. This helps support the yarn until the point is covered. You can also use hot glue, but I tend to burn myself when doing that, so I prefer not to use it, and I suggest that you don't do it either. It takes a bit more patience to get this part done without the glue, so take your time. Once I have the point covered, I'm going to go back and find any spots where I see cardboard and wrap the yarn to cover it. So you can see here I have a couple spots at the top. I'm just going to wrap the yarn around until all the spots are covered. Now once I'm happy with the way it looks and I don't see any more cardboard peeking out, I will tuck the end of the yarn under another piece to finish it. So you'll see here I'm just going to have one more piece to cover there. And again, if you leave anything, a tiny piece showing, it's not a big deal, but you want it mostly covered. So I'm going to turn it over to where I've left off, and I'm going to cut the yarn, and I'm going to tuck it under another piece of yarn. I'm going to make a knot and I'll pull it tight. And you cut off the end, and you can tuck the knot under the yarn so that you don't see it, and both sides of the heart look pretty. So here you have your completed heart. Looks very cute, and you can use this method for any shape. So you can see here I've made a butterfly out of purple yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video and will check out my other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.